Hey there, fellow travel lovers, ready for an adventure? Today we're whisking you away to Kyoto, Japan's enchanting cultural capital. It's a city that stole my heart, and I know you'll fall head over heels for it too. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our exciting travel tales. Kyoto is a city that breathes history. It was Japan's imperial capital for over a millennium, from 794 to 1868. Imagine that. Centuries of emperors, shoguns, and samurai walking these very streets. Today, Kyoto is a captivating blend of ancient traditions and modern life. You'll find serene temples nestled alongside bustling shopping streets, and ancient tea houses offering a tranquil escape from the city buzz. No trip to Kyoto is complete without a visit to Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. This iconic structure is one of the most famous landmarks in Japan, drawing visitors from all over the world. The temple was originally built in 1397 as a retirement villa for the shogun Ashikaga Yoshimitsu, and later converted into a Zen Buddhist temple by his son. The pavilion you see today is a reconstruction, as the original was burned down in 1950 by a monk. Despite this, the current structure remains a stunning example of traditional Japanese architecture. This Zen Buddhist temple is covered in shimmering gold leaf, reflecting beautifully on the surface of the surrounding pond. The pond, known as Kinkaku-ji or the Mirror Pond, is designed to enhance the beauty of the pavilion, creating a perfect reflection that changes with the seasons. In spring, the cherry blossoms add a touch of pink to the scene, while in autumn, the surrounding maple trees turn a vibrant red. Even in winter, the snow-covered pavilion offers a serene and picturesque view. It's a sight that will take your breath away. The upper two stories of the pavilion are covered in gold leaf, which glistens in the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing effect. The top floor is built in the style of a Chinese Zen hall, while the middle floor is designed in the style of a samurai residence. The ground floor, known as the Chamber of Dharma Waters, is built in the Shinden style, which was used for palace buildings during the Heian period. Each floor has its own unique architectural style, making the pavilion a true masterpiece. Next, prepare to be charmed by the thousands of vibrant red torii gates at Fushimi Inari Shrine. This shrine is one of the most important and popular Shinto shrines in Kyoto, dedicated to Inari, the god of rice, sake, and prosperity. The shrine is famous for its thousands of vermilion torii gates, which form a network of trails leading up the sacred Mount Inari. The torii gates are donated by individuals and businesses, and each gate bears the name of its donor. This Shinto shrine is dedicated to Inari, the god of rice and sake. Inari is also associated with foxes, which are considered to be the god's messengers. The shrine was established in 711 AD, making it one of the oldest and most revered shrines in Japan. The main shrine building, known as the Honden, is located at the base of the mountain, and from there, visitors can follow the torii-lined paths to various smaller shrines and sacred spots. As you wander through the seemingly endless tunnels of gates, keep an eye out for the playful fox statues. They're believed to be Inari's messengers. These fox statues, known as kitsune, are often depicted holding a key in their mouths, which is said to be the key to the rice granary. Some fox statues also hold a scroll, a jewel, or a sheaf of rice. The foxes are considered to be both protectors and tricksters, and they add an element of mystery and charm to the shrine. The combination of the vibrant torii gates, the serene forest, and the intriguing fox statues makes Fushimi Inari Shrine a truly magical place to visit. Escape the city bustle with a visit to Arashiyama, a district on the western outskirts of Kyoto. This area is renowned for its natural beauty and historical significance, making it a perfect retreat for those looking to experience the serene side of Japan. Arashiyama is not just a place. It's an experience that takes you back in time while immersing you in nature's splendor. Here you can wander through the enchanting Arashiyama bamboo grove, where towering stalks of bamboo create a magical atmosphere. The bamboo grove is one of Kyoto's most photographed sights, and for good reason. As you walk along the path, the bamboo sways gently with the breeze, creating a soothing rustling sound that adds to the grove's mystical ambiance. The sunlight filtering through the dense bamboo canopy casts a dappled light on the ground, making it feel like you're walking through a living painting. It's like stepping into another world. The grove offers a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Many visitors describe it as a spiritual experience, a place where you can feel a deep connection with nature. The sheer height and density of the bamboo make you feel small in the best possible way, reminding you of the grandeur of the natural world. Afterwards, take a stroll across the iconic Togetsukyo Bridge, which spans the Katsura River. This bridge, whose name means Moon Crossing Bridge, has been a beloved landmark for centuries. It offers breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains and the river below. The bridge is a popular spot for both tourists and locals, who come to enjoy the scenic beauty and the peaceful atmosphere. The views from the bridge are particularly stunning in spring when cherry blossoms adorn the riverbanks, creating a picturesque scene that looks like it has been plucked straight out of a postcard. The delicate pink blossoms contrast beautifully with the blue sky and the flowing river, making it a perfect spot for photography and relaxation. The cherry blossom season is a time of celebration in Japan, and Arashiyama is one of the best places to experience this natural spectacle. And in autumn, when the leaves transform into a vibrant tapestry of red and gold. The autumn foliage in Arashiyama is nothing short of spectacular. The rich colors of the leaves create a warm and inviting atmosphere, making it a perfect time for a leisurely walk or a boat ride on the river. The changing seasons bring a new kind of beauty to Arashiyama, ensuring that no matter when you visit, you'll be greeted with stunning natural scenery. Step back in time in Gion, Kyoto's geisha district. This historic area is a living testament to Japan's rich cultural heritage. As you walk through the narrow streets, you'll be transported to a bygone era where the charm of old Japan is still very much alive. The wooden houses, known as machiya, have been preserved to maintain the traditional aesthetic of the area. These structures, with their wooden facades and tiled roofs, offer a glimpse into the architectural style of ancient Kyoto. Wander down Hanamikoji Street, with its preserved wooden machiya merchant houses, and you'll feel as though you've stepped into a different world. The street is lined with these beautiful houses, each one telling a story of the past. The atmosphere here is serene, with the gentle sound of wooden sandals clacking against the stone pavement. It's a place where time seems to stand still, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the history and culture of Kyoto. And you might even catch a glimpse of a geisha hurrying to an appointment. These elegant women, dressed in exquisite kimonos, are the epitome of grace and tradition. Their presence adds a touch of magic to the streets of Gion, making it a truly unique experience. Watching a geisha glide gracefully through the streets is like witnessing a living piece of art. Their movements are so fluid and refined, it's as if they are floating rather than walking. Gion is also a great place to experience a traditional tea ceremony. These ceremonies are a beautiful expression of Japanese culture, emphasizing the importance of mindfulness and the appreciation of simple, everyday activities. Participating in a tea ceremony allows you to slow down and savor the moment as you watch the meticulous preparation and presentation of the tea. It's a calming and meditative experience that offers a deeper understanding of Japanese traditions. During spring, Gion transforms into a sea of pink as cherry blossoms burst into bloom. The sight of these delicate flowers against the backdrop of traditional wooden houses is simply breathtaking. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of the blossoms, creating a magical atmosphere that is both enchanting and serene. It's a time of celebration and renewal, as the cherry blossoms symbolize the fleeting beauty of life. Head to Maruyama Park, a popular spot for hanami or cherry blossom viewing, and you'll find yourself surrounded by a sea of pink and white blossoms. The park is a favorite among locals and tourists alike, who come to enjoy the beauty of the cherry blossoms and the festive atmosphere. It's a place where people gather to celebrate the arrival of spring, sharing food, drinks, and laughter under the blooming trees. And join the locals for a picnic under the blossoms. Spread out a blanket, unpack your bento box, and enjoy a leisurely meal surrounded by the beauty of nature. The experience of hanami is not just about viewing the cherry blossoms, but also about spending quality time with friends and family. It's a tradition that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and appreciation for the simple pleasures in life. So, take a moment to relax, breathe in the fresh spring air, and let the beauty of Gion's cherry blossoms fill your heart with joy. Kyoto is a foodie's paradise. Be sure to try some local specialties like vegetarian Shojin Ryori cuisine, which originated in Buddhist temples, or indulge in a warming bowl of matcha soba noodles. And of course, no trip to Japan would be complete without savoring some delicious sushi. If you have a sweet tooth, don't miss out on trying mochi, chewy rice cakes often filled with sweet bean paste. You can find them everywhere, from traditional wagashi shops to convenience stores. While the main attractions are a must-see, be sure to venture off the beaten path to discover the hidden gems of Kyoto. Explore the charming backstreets of Nishijin, known for its traditional weaving industry, or visit the International Manga Museum for a glimpse into the world of Japanese comics. For a unique perspective of the city, hike up to Kiyomizu-dera Temple at sunset. From the temple's wooden platform, you'll be rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Kyoto bathed in the golden light of dusk. Kyoto is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a city that will captivate your senses, ignite your imagination, and leave you with memories to cherish. Whether you're exploring ancient temples, wandering through bamboo forests, or indulging in delicious cuisine, Kyoto is sure to steal a piece of your heart. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Kyoto adventure today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration and tips. Happy travels!